Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management, and today I'm going to do a little bragging about our maintenance department. We just facilitated a massive renovation at 1358 Elliott Street, and I want to walk you through and show you all the fabulous things that our maintenance department did to make this property even better than it already was. So let's go check it all out. All right, let's go inside and check out these renovations that were done. So we are in the garage, and formerly this was like bifolding doors. There has been a solid wall added. And this room in here got an entire upgrade. You can see that they've coated this in a really cozy, beautiful color. They've updated the floor here with a fresh coat of paint. And then they also made sure that you have this increased storage area here in this little 3-season area. Another thing that they did was they added a brand new deck on the back of the property. It is absolutely beautiful. There is a ton of space out here to be able to utilize for residents, and it looks out over the backyard. Now coming in through here, we're going to go into the kitchen. This is what got the most of what the renovations were. You have this gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen, brand new cabinets, brand new counters. This backsplash is absolutely beautiful. And formerly, there was a window over here. The window was removed. They added in this great pantry area that is situated perfectly over top of this stainless steel refrigerator. And then just some other notable things through the first floor. We have these gorgeous floors, updated paint colors to make sure that everything is unified and beautiful and ready for the new residents to take this place as their home. Wow. I cannot say enough good things about all the amazing things that our maintenance staff has done inside of this property. Between our technicians and our vendors, they have worked tirelessly like a well-oiled machine. They have done everything that they need to do to help the owners of their property maximize their investment. If you're interested in doing that, One Focus Property Management is definitely the place to call, because we work tirelessly from top to bottom to make sure that your investments are working for you.